Have you ever wondered how you can get 3 clients in just 1 week of starting your own agency? How I did for myself, and I'm going to teach you how you can do this for you also. I'm able to achieve this goal in just 1 week of starting my own agency, and you can do this for you. Hi, my name is Deepak Sharma, and I started my own agency from scratch as a beginner, but I'm still able to get 3 clients in just 1 week of starting. This may feel the impossible thing, but no, you can do this for you, and I'm going to give you bulletproof strategy for your success and to start your own agency. First Ellen, you will find this value very valuable. Just give me some minutes, let me explain to you, give some value to you, and then you have to decide you have to follow me or not. The first week, in just first week, you have to focus on your one skill. Be consistent, learn new skills, be good in it. Then after doing all this thing over the time, जब आप उस स्किल के अंदर एक अच्छे प्लेयर बन जाओ, जब आप उसको अच्छा ऑफर करने लग जाओ, देन उसके बाद यू हैव टू डू आउटरीचेस. अगर आपको आउटरीचेस का मतलब नहीं पता, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन टू यू. आउटरीचेस मीन्स going to clients and explaining them, yeah, hello, I'm doing this service, I'm providing this skill, this will help your business to grow more and earn you more money. But उसके लिए आपको अपने लोकल बिजनेसेस के पास जाना होगा, just like I didn't run any Facebook ads, Google ads, or maybe you can say cold outreach sending emails. I didn't do anything of this. मैं लोकल बिजनेसेस के पास गया. I asked them, hello, I'm doing this services and I can do this for you. This will help you to grow your business to next level. And you can do the same, but just learn a skill. In my story, I'll tell you what I did. I learned a skill, creation of landing pages. But इससे रिलेटेड मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बात करूंगा कि आप कौन सी स्किल पिक कर सकते हो अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो कि आपको कौन सी स्किल पिक करनी चाहिए. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ आपकी एजेंसी सेटअप करके आप कैसे क्लाइंट्स तक आउटरीच करके उनसे कैसे बात कर सकते हो, कैसे डील क्लोज कर सकते हो. एंड यू विल लर्न अ लॉट with me, and I am also going to teach you as much I know. I am going to give you all the information I have. In just 1 week, मैं जिस जिम में वर्कआउट करने जाता हूँ उसके अंदर गया. I asked the owner, hey, मैं आपके लिए लैंडिंग पेज बना सकता हूँ जिससे, and I can do a good marketing with a good strategy that will make you increase your business revenue, the number of members in your gym. I explained all the things to him. He said yes. Then उसी जिम के अंदर एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर था जो वहाँ पे पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग देता था. I asked him also, hey, I can create a personal training page for you and we can share the profit of 40-60% of the profit. He said also yes, we have to do this. My third client is a restaurant. I closed a restaurant nearby me and he said also yes, we can do this. आपको पिच करना आना चाहिए कि आपको कैसे अपनी सर्विस पिच करनी है. This is also I'm going to teach you in the next videos. Don't worry, you will get all the step by step things. I'm just in this video teaching you how to set up your agency. If you don't want to make an agency and you want to work as a freelancer, you can do also this. Working as a freelancer is also a good choice, and I'm going to teach you how you can do this. Learn a skill, then start posting content on the Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. Just post the content related to your service. Give value, provide value. Don't try to sell, just provide values for free in the starting. Go comment on the posts of the business, follow the businesses, start texting them. You can do this. After this, local businesses के पास जाके उनसे बात करो, उनसे अपनी डील क्लोज करो. देन उसके बाद वो आपको रिव्यू देंगे. स्टोर द रिव्यू, एंड उस रिव्यू को आप इन फ्यूचर जब आप किसी बड़े क्लाइंट्स के पास जाओगे, यू कैन यूज दैट एंड यू कैन एबल टू क्लोज द क्लाइंट. इन दिस जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंट, स्कोर फास्ट एंड यू विल वन द बैटल. आपको इस बैटल में कोई नहीं हरा सकता अगर आप फास्ट एक्शंस लोगे, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करोगे. यू विल एब्सोल्युटली विन in the future and in the present also. Just be consistent to this bulletproof strategy, then you will able to get the desiring result you are waiting for, you want, you are what always dream of. You will get all the things if you work very hard. And I'm still learning new things, and I'm going to provide this knowledge for free to you, and you will make a big business, believe me, just work and be consistent on the skill, doing outreaches. अगर आपको कोई रिप्लाईज या फिर आपको कोई डील क्लोज ना कर पाओ, डोंट वरी, आपको उससे बिल्कुल भी निराश नहीं होना है. जस्ट फोकस, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. This is the part of the journey. I reached out 15 clients and then able to get 3 clients. Only 3 clients, okay. And I think I was lucky. You can say I was lucky, but I followed this strategy. I learned a skill. I go in the gym. I talked to the owner, talked to the restaurant owner, talked to the personal trainer, and I got the results. Just आपको अपनी स्किल में अच्छा होना है. Then आपको लोकल बिजनेसेस के पास जाके अपनी सर्विस पिच करनी है. उसके बाद सर्विस स्विच करने के बाद अच्छे रिजल्ट्स लेने हैं, छोटे छोटे क्लाइंट्स के अच्छे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स, अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम करके एक्सपीरियंस लेके टेस्टिमोनियल्स बनाओ. टेस्टिमोनियल्स मीन्स रिव्यूज ऑन योर सर्विस, रिव्यूज ऑन योर एजेंसी. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दिस स्टफ you can start reaching out big clients, and there are more probability if you have good results for your past clients, you will able to close a big client for your agency and you will make a lot of money. So friend, just wait for my next